dragon.
Yeah, it's a
Cars.
Floating ring.
Yeah.
It's a swim ring for the pool, little book swim ring.
Awesome.
Cars from the Disney Cars theme on it.
Awesome.
Cute. I like that.
Yeah, little, we like Cars Pixar.
Now rip it.
Yeah.
That's a
Spider-Man jammies.
No, it's a shirt. Go ahead.
Yeah.
cool.
Whoa.
Oh my gosh.
Wow. Is that for your dad or is that for
That's
you?
your costume.
Wow,
You
that's
can wear that.
gorgeous.
Do you love it?
Awesome.
That is
You
gorgeous.
love Spider-Man, don't you?
Yeah.
Well, he's one of the many superhero guys, right?
Spider-Man's his favorite.
But I like that shirt. It's like white in the back.
Yeah.
And you have the picture on the front.
Yeah, it's
The
cool.
fact
Spidey.
that eat cake first, and then
Very
you put it on
cool.
so it doesn't get dirty, okay?
Okay.
Is that okay?
Yeah, perfect.
I thought any action hero would work.
Spider-Man's
Give Aunt Chris and Uncle Mike a hug. Say thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
That's good enough.
Now, Elizabeth, we have one of her. Mike's not here.
Hey!
So we'll give her. Do you want to get both now, or do you want to wait till Mike is here?
Katie, go get Sarah's present
What?
Tomorrow morning.
that we got her.
Take one now.
That Glee tape.
Tomorrow?
What?
The Glee DVDs.